So we're gonna put these tracks on this machine. So what I had to do was actually take the rims and flip them around like that. So now that was the inside, now it's the outside. That gave me an extra 1.5 inches of clearance here. Now I got 2.5 inches, which is minimum that you want for clearance between the tire and the frame. Before there was only about 1 inch of clearance there, so I had to do this. So the first thing you want to do is lay this track out underneath and get about halfway on it. Yeah. A little bit more. That's good. Put the bucket down. Lift the front end right up in the air. Keep going. Curl it. Curl it. That's good. Yeah, that's good. Just put jack stands underneath the front here.
I was gonna say, if you want some heavy duty bolt cutters, I got some.
So I'm gonna use a plasma cutter to cut this chain, and I'm putting this piece of steel here so it doesn't get on the tires and potentially blow them up.
There you go. Now you can really tighten it.
Okay, so last night we got these tracks on. It was totally dark when I did the other side. It's the same process, so there's no point in repeating it. But we learned a couple things, so now it should go a lot quicker, and they're sized now. But basically, once everything was cut and sized, it should only be like 10 minutes to take this on and off. So I couldn't help myself. I had to try these out in the dark in the mud. So it's already all dirty, but so let's go test this out in the mud and see how it does.
Difference, man. It's crazy.
How rough is it?
What?
How rough is it?
It feels like it's regular, just tires, man.
Really?
It's not rough at all. No, it's like you went from 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive. It's crazy.
Yeah. It makes the machine look a lot cooler too. So these tracks are definitely night and day difference from what it was before. There's no way that I could get any traction in any of this mud before. Even with brand new tires, it wouldn't have made that much difference. So a few things that I like about this: these pieces that are bent up here are made out of 3/8, and these chains are a manganese alloy, grade 80, and they're meant for tire chains and stuff. They're meant for wear and tear. They're meant to move around. A grade 70 chain isn't really meant to do that. It's meant to pull on things. I could see these definitely lasting quite a few years. So the whole reason I wanted to make a video about this is because I didn't know about these tracks before, and they're very affordable. It's only about $800 for a set for this machine, and that's a 16.5 by 10 tire. You could spend that much on tires alone, but the nice thing about these is you really don't need brand new tires to use them, and each set's only about 100 pounds, and they come in separate packages, so you don't have to have any kind of machines to load them in your truck or anything. The only downfall I think to these is going to be when you're going to go on concrete or blacktop, but I pretty much never do that, so if I do, I'll just take them off. That's the beauty of them. I'm pretty sure that if I just drove up these ramps without this wood on here, I might be facing a problem. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this wood on here just to kind of see what's going on. And it's no big deal to carry an extra 2 pieces of wood